Hello everyone, this is Helen. Today we are going to make curry sauce. We are going to make two versions. For the first version, we need curry powder, turmeric powder, red pepper powder, salt, sugar, garlic, onion, apple, tomato, and cooking oil, and coconut milk. First, we need to blend some of the ingredients. I'm using a blender here, but you can also use a food processor. Cut the tomatoes into big chunks and toss them in the blender. Add the onion and garlic. Remove the core of the apple and also put in the blender. Add some of the coconut milk, just enough for the blender to run, and incorporate everything. If you are using something like Vitamix, you probably only need a few seconds to blend everything together. Heat up a small pan on medium heat, add the oil, and then add all the powders. Stir and let all the powders absorb the oil. As the powders absorb the oil, you can smell the aroma released from the spices. When the oil is fully absorbed, it's time to add some coconut milk. Add little by little and stir. Give it some time to incorporate evenly. Continue to stir until all the coconut milk is absorbed evenly into the powders. When you see bubbling in the pan, you really need to stir constantly, or you'll end up with a messy stove like this. Add the salt and the sugar. Stir and let it thicken. It depends how thick you want. It may take 10 to 15 minutes. I like the thickness like this. You can use it right away to cook other curry dishes, or store in the refrigerator and use later. Now we are going to make the second version. We need ground cumin, ground turmeric, ground coriander, curry powder, chili pepper flakes, paprika, garlic, ginger, tomato paste, and all-purpose flour, and some grated onion, lemon juice, a cup of water, and then cooking oil. Now we heat up another pan on medium heat. Add the oil. Next, add the grated onion, the ginger I chopped up, and also chopped up garlic. Stir until the onion becomes kind of translucent. Now add all the powders. It doesn't matter in what order we put all the powders in. Stir and cook until the spices smell toasted, about 5 or 6 minutes. Then add the tomato paste. Continue to stir until the tomato paste is evenly incorporated. Now add the flour. Mix until you can see no lumps or white spots. Add the lemon juice and then the water. Stir and allow it to thicken. Add a little salt to taste. Grind some pepper. Mine is pretty thick. If you don't like it so thick, just add some more water. Now we've made 2 versions of curry sauce. Next we can make curry chicken, curry potatoes, curry cauliflower, curry whatever you like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.